USP, Mexico. Oh, there we go. What's up? Can you guys see me? One in the chat if you guys can see me. I know Zoom is good, but for you guys on YouTube, what's up? Put a one in the chat if you can see me and shit. If you can hear me, put a two in the chat. 1, 2. My bad, I'm late. I had to go to the gym real quick, and it's time to make some money now. We didn't miss anything. If anything, I just avoided a fake out for you guys, so we all good. 1, 1, 2, 2. All right, cool. All right, let's get up in this bitch. On today's episode of Will I Fucking Blow This Account or Not? Everybody can see my screen. We all good? Let me get set up here, man. Give me a second. Give me fucking...
Pero por ahí no existe eso, ¿no?
Huh? Yeah, give me a second, yo. I can hear. All right, cool, bro. Good, brother. All right, let's check it out. All right, so US 30. Man, was today fucking fun with my mentorship. My God. Getting a little ridiculous. All right, so as far as highs here, look what we got going on here, y'all. Yet again. This is now. I don't know what's going on with this very minor level, why we have so much reaction from this level, but look at this fucking shit, bro. What's up with this? Is this a psychological level or almost 50K for or 41? Not even though. Yeah, I don't know. But interesting. Look at the reactions we're having to this level over and over again. Okay, some shit. So this will be our structure that we'll play off of. As far as this trend line goes, yeah, it was valid in the past, but not so validated anymore. I'm going to go ahead and take it off. And we've already swept highs up here, bro. Look at that shit. We've already just swept these highs. So you guys know what time it is. More often than not, when we revisit this area and break back above, almost like a liquid grab of previous session highs and lows, we should be sending it for sure upwards. As far as this sell-off, all right, let me kind of clean this up a bit so we can get a little organized here. This is starting to get a little fucking ridiculous, to be honest. As far as the sell-off, bro, we'll just see what happens here. Once we get this trend line tap here and actually get a reaction, then from that point, maybe we'll take one of these newfound support breaks. But as of right now, I mean, while we continuously hold this hourly support here, I really just want to buy, bro. You know, let's go ahead and fill in the rest of this gap, which is like 130 points. This is really what I want to fucking do is hit this right here. Same thing, risk as much as I possibly can, either 1 or 150, whatever will let me risk on that account. ATR is 50, so we'll put it right at 50. And this will be what will bring us to fucking freedom, bro. I'd rather blowing this account or doubling it. Same thing as yesterday, except there's just no volume. Hopefully we can get some volume today to just run it up. I'm going to go ahead and put this set in stone. Okay, and I'm going to move over to Nas right quick, but I don't want to lose this trade. So I'm going to go ahead, or miss out on this trade. I don't really care if I lose. We're still going to execute. I got Dow Jones on the right. We got Nas on the left. As far as Nas, same shit, bro. It's like, it's just a bit different and frustrating because we're continuously rejecting off of this hourly resistance. Obviously above it, I'm extremely bullish. And if we continue to reject it, I'm definitely good to take sells. And with Nas, we're starting to gather multiple confluences here, you know? If we were to break a blow, let's just say this middle support and try to break the difference, just in case we're going to get grabbed. You see how we just popped up above this high and then grabbed this high? Just kind of fooled me once, can't get fooled again. What if we break below this low and kind of grab and push back in the range? Literally the same fucking thing that happened yesterday to us. And so instead of doing so, we can just alleviate that maybe split the difference. Instead of taking this low, we'll take this middle low. And we have multiple confluences to take that sell. We're rejecting off of our resistance. We got our 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be the 5th time we're coming to revisit this trend line. And we're getting a break below support. All day long, I'll take that trade. But if we continue to push up, I mean, I may split that difference a bit higher. I don't want to get in a whole, let's see here, 80 points from here. You know what I'm saying? And then as far as buys, same shit. I'm not going to take buy because if we start to push up from this point, it's going to be US 30. We'll take US 30, but I'm pretty much on the same page. We're kind of channeling here. And I'm just expecting price to break out of this channel and continue higher, at least up to this point, which would be I think a 1-to-1. Let's see. 70 points. Yeah, we hit a 1-to-1. We put stops break even, and whatever the fuck happens from that point happens. But only thing that's set in stone right now is these sales right here. Same shit. 30-point stop loss. And as far as buys, just nothing yet. We'll just keep it at that. And I may get us in early. We'll see. All right, let me bring this chat and shit over here. Now I can see what you guys are saying. I already blew my flooded accounts and now I'm just watching. Sheesh. Lafalal finished taking a dump. Nah, they're over there on Lucas right now. Yeah, we either win or we win it. You know what time it is, bro. No, they're over there at Lucas right now. Did I do wrong time? Nah, bro, my bad. My bad, fam. I had to go to the gym. I had to get this shit done. It started to hit like 1:30. I'm like, man, I could leave right now or I could finish my workout and I could go into the sauna and do what I really want to do. And so I did it. And all we did was alleviate ourselves from a fake out. So I'm very proud that I did that for us. Big dub in the chat for me. Bam. As far as you, Albert, no worries that you blew your funded account, my brother, because funded here still hasn't released. It'll either be tomorrow or Tuesday latest, which means that I'm still running this promo. You guys will never get a funded account without a challenge at all for any cheaper rate. And so if you want to know what those prices are, if you want to capitalize before we go back to regular pricing, DM me. You can DM me here. You can DM me on Discord. You can DM me on Instagram at emma.trades, and let's make it happen. I got you covered. I have all the rules, I have all the pricing, and I got funded accounts for you, baby. Plug. Emmett, I missed you. I miss you too, Isaac. What's up, bro? What's going on? Appreciate all 25 of you guys for being in the Zoom too. Let's see who we got in here, man. Everybody be nervous to talk and shit, but what's up, y'all? We winning or we winning? There's only what's the next trip? None, bro. I have to go see my mom. So we'll go see my mom in a month. And then we want to go on a cruise June 17th, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23. June 17th to 23rd, I'm going on a cruise. And hopefully from now until then, just nothing. Hopefully I can be home, bro. But, you know, shit happens. I don't have any plans as of right now, though. What is a funded account? So there's no challenge to it at all. It is specifically you guys get a funded account. And so you go directly into trading that funded account. How legit is this instant passing? It's 100% guaranteed or your money back, playa. The only difference, when you're getting a funded account, okay, let's speak about this. When you're getting a funded account, so not a challenge account, so the funding is you go past the challenge phase. The stipulation to that is there's an additional rule of 35% consistency. So one single trade can't make up more than 35% of your entire profit. Just to make sure you guys aren't getting an instant funded account with no challenge at all and then gambling one trade and then trying to remove 10, 15K from the prop firm. And so that is the stipulation as far as you're talking about legit. One trade can't make up more than 35% of your full profit, and then you're good to go. Playa. Instant funding. It gets delivered to you in your name and under your email, whatever email you guys give to me. Appreciate all 53 of you guys for showing up. Looks like we're about to start to push back above these highs for US 30, so get ready here, y'all. I might be quick. Oh, where's my phone? Oh, it's 0%? There's no way. Y'all are good. I still have my other phone, but it's tough to fucking put trades into two accounts with one phone. All right. Let me focus up here. So we're risking $100. And then we'll try to put the extra 50 bucks in if we could for this trade. 50 point stop loss. 0.2. Point two. Hopefully it'll let us do the whole 100. If not, just do 0.1, 0.1. Do 0.1 and then 0.5s until it stops. But I'm doing a 0.2 on the flip account. Just in case it doesn't put it in, I'll have my trigger ready to just spam 0.5s, you know. Our target is going to be 1500 for the full 300. And then once we do get into, I'll see if I can scale in an extra 0.1 if I could. Okay, so it would be 0.3 in total. This is for everybody doing the challenge with me, not for your own accounts. Just risk whatever normally you risk. Are you taking this on main account? Hell yeah, bro. That's what I'm saying. I'm just waiting for my phone to charge. So I put a buy stop on the challenge account. I'm gonna go put a buy stop right now on my account. No, I canceled it. What the fuck? Let's go. All right, cool. Let's get it. I'll let you guys know when I'm in. As soon as you break above this line. Can we please fucking push here, bro? Send it to the moon, you know? I got 0.05s ready to put on top of the 0.2 if it lets me. You know? Any little bottom wick, I get it all, and then a re-break of highs, I'm just going to try to put a lot of respect on this trade so we can fucking get somewhere with this bitch. Blow it or double it, man. Let's go. We only got today and tomorrow. Yeah, but you cannot get it. My bad, John. Back on the challenge. We get the challenge tomorrow. Either from tomorrow till Tuesday, you will get the account. Yes, correct. And broker has no rules, right? No, definitely not correct. Best rules in the industry, correct. Yeah, but you cannot get 100K for 300. You cannot get 100K for 3. Correct. Yo, what's up, Emmett? How's it going? Yo, Maddox. What's up, playa? How you doing, bro? We're getting close here, y'all, so get ready. We're getting close, we're getting close, we're getting close. Plug! In premium, when do you trade? I don't really do premium discount, bro. I just take breakouts using price action and structure. You know? If this doesn't hit, we will, we'll have to wait for new structure, but we still have a hell of a range to fill. Like, we got some opportunity to take multiple trades here today, which is nice. Plug! What's your take profit? Pretty much at these highs, bro. Pretty much a 1 to 3 is what we're targeting. Once you come up to these highs, we'll, I'm saying in your premium Discord. Oh, let me go back to it. In premium, when do you trade? So in premium, I trade for AM session, bro. So pretty much 9:30 to 10:30 AM Eastern Standard Time. And then PM session too. So from like 2 to like 3:30 is what we usually do. You know? Come on, baby. Yeah, so pretty much, bro, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. 10 opportunities a week in premium to get my trades. For now, you know? Like, I'm fucking going ham right now, y'all. It's the best time to get in and trade 2 sessions with me every single day. What pairs during which sessions? NAS 100 and US 30, bro. For all sessions. I simply just trade NAS and US 30. If I ever hop on for London, like I did a couple days ago, which would be rare or never at all, don't even put it in your head. But if I ever did, we'd be trading GJ and GU, bro. For the most part. What up, Chuck Nasty? What up, player? What's going on, bro? We're just waiting to get into these trades so we can pay our bills, you know? What's up, Big E? What up, player? You know me, just trying to get me some protein in, but rushing to hop on a live call so I can make people bread first. Nothing changes. Hell yeah, I feel you. Are you taking this on? Oh yeah, bro, for sure. And this is nice too. You know, look what just happened, bro. We get to have this new 5 minute candle open up, get a nice little bottom wick, and then go ahead and push. You know, not in yet, nah, bro. As soon as we break these high, if we, for who? What is your name? Doctor Dot Dollar. If you look at the fucking screen over here, it says if we break past this white line, get in. You know what season it is, brother. What cards do you have? A bright ass orange one and a very dull big ass gray one. Fat nigga season. What brokers do you use? It is linked in the description, but it is called Gates FX. I'm able to trade off of MT5. They offer no commission accounts, raw spread accounts, incredible fees, and all my withdrawals, which is now 4 withdrawals now, have all been pushed into my Coinbase account within 4 hours. All of them. If that breaks, it will shoot up the TB3. Hell yeah, bro. Thanks. You guys heard it here from Icy Pop first, bro. Full leverage on this trade. Full fucking margin on this trade. I mean, you don't have to, but you know what I'm doing. I'm either going to blow this account or I'm going to double this account right now. I'm about to connect my bank. I'm about to connect my bank and get your package and follow you. Hell yeah, bro. Awesome. Welcome to ZenLab Blueprint. ZenLab, not Blueprint. Blueprint is a whole different mentorship. That's a whole top tier, my brother. That's learning from me personally, but nobody here can learn from me personally unless you guys hop on a call with me, bro. Some people are just, you know, not everybody's meant to learn from Mr. Emmett. Pizza. I am buying a funded off of you if I make profits on this challenge. Hell yeah, bro. Let's make some profits on your challenge then. Which is crazy. That's interesting thinking, bro. I mean, I fuck with y'all taking the challenges who already have them, but there's no need for that anymore. You simply buy a funded account from me, and you're trading immediately for real capital. No challenge involved. It's a no-brainer for me. Dollar better get in this trade too. Emmett, call him out. Oh, Dollar's hopping in, bro. He's right here. He better get in. Well, I'll fucking shun him, bro. We'll never speak with him again if he doesn't get in. Hell yeah. DM Emmett on Insta for funded. Yeah, thank you, Beast. Appreciate you. How much is a funded account from you? DM me, and as soon as we're done with trading, yo, we'll get into all that shit. Let's make some bread here. Have you had a student where they struggle to learn or just don't get it when you do your calls? Ask them yourself. I have some students in here. Let's see who we got in here as my actual student. Don't be smiling over there, bro, before I put you on blast. The fuck? Who do we got in here? We got Jaime. Jaime, you can speak for me if you don't mind. You only got 67 people watching you, bro. Samuel's in my group. Paul's in my group. You know, can you guys vouch? You can message too. I know some people be nervous as fuck. Who else we got in here? Brawley's really new. But Brawley, if you want to let him know what's up, player. He makes everything. Oh, Stun is in my group. Yeah. Let them speak for you. Samuel just put this. That's how he feels about my group. Brody, he's the best coach. Oh, yeah, what about Mama's mentorship too? Yeah, what's up, y'all? Speak for me. I'm not gonna speak for myself. I'll let you guys do that shit. I appreciate it though. What's the cost to join your group? It depends. It depends. If you're trying to take my signals or actually learn to trade from me. Emmett is the go. Appreciate you, bro. Much love. Would you please explain the trade sell NAS from earlier today? I couldn't find any confluences. Yeah, we'll run through that here in a sec, P. I just think we're really close to getting to these Dow Jones trade. But I got you, fam. Yo, OG's Zen, that's such a good answer, bro. Emmett goes live around 2 p.m. ish. Hell yeah, bro. Top songs. We're just getting started, yo. Gives the most value straightforward. Much love, man. All right, cool. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you guys. Cool, cool, cool. Very methodical way of approaching the markets. You know, there's no maybe for power hour where we're messing around by doing this flipping account, you know, and seeing what we can do and fucking test our skills and shit. Sure, but for the most part, we're very methodical here. Everything does have an answer, you know. Even when we lose, we just simply lost. But that system, that trade, we would definitely take a million times over. But it's there's no indecision when hopping on the markets as far as what trend is, what you're going to do as far as executing. There's no I don't knows, you know. There is an answer for everything, and there's data backed by everything that I teach, and that's why we have a lot of people who are able to replicate the results as well. We'll just put it there. You know, you dig? Are we gonna have another ranging PM session, or are we gonna fucking send it now? You know, now we have 5 minutes before that 15-minute candle open. We're not gonna last. I think we're gonna push right now with this little gamba candle, but come on, man, let's go. I'll let you guys know when I get in. I'm gonna go ahead and focus up on here. So let's take this off of the board for a second, so you guys don't get confused. We're simply just taking US 30. How much capital does someone need to start with? I mean, it depends, bro. You know, some people's bills are 10K a month, and some people's bills are $500 a month. You know, if I was starting out trading right now with all my bills and shit, I would need a way more money to be able to, and which I did too. When I left myself my job, I already created a lifestyle for myself. But it's all dependent on you, player. What are your bills? You know, what are your goals? How comfortable are you if you only have a couple months of bills in your account? Me, I'm ungodly stressed the fuck out, freaking out. Some other people, they're like, bro, it's another Monday. So I don't know. It's all dependent on what your situation is and what you believe you need to remove from the markets on a month-to-month basis. You know, really should be a quarter-to-quarter basis. It's dependent on you. But that's the most secondary question to somebody who's looking to start out. You know, skill set should always be first. And then from that point, we can talk about how much capital to put in the markets and shit, you know? The gorilla. Yeah. Maybe a gorilla could kill 100 other people. They couldn't kill 100 Emmets, bro. I'm telling you right now. I've been watching all these AI. I'm just in a fucked up algorithm, I guess, of a fat nigga season and one gorilla versus 100 dudes. Bro, I've been watching all these videos and the gorilla just beats up all of the dudes. I just don't. I'm just not in agreement with that. Correct, need the skill for sure. Yeah, for sure. One Emmett versus 100 gorillas. Yeah, facts. That's what it really needs to be. Why never S&P in the mix? Not that I have like information overload. You know, we used to trade 5, 6 pairs here until pretty much the end of last year. I don't see a need for it, bro. You know, I get enough production and moves every single day between these two pairs. Very rare do we have a no trade day. Like I don't even maybe the maybe everybody here can answer, but to be honest with you, I don't even remember the last time we've had a no trade day. You know, it really just kind of doesn't happen. So I wouldn't. And also, this is nice for us to have both pairs up here. Don't you guys like this format? You hop on and we can see both pairs every single day as to like what we're gonna do and shit. That shit's fire, bro. Maybe not Chuck Nasty because he can't see both screens because he's on his fucking phone, but for the rest of you, for the rest of you, y'all probably good. Shit is fucking around this week. He the best trader of all times. The banks call him and tell him where the market's going. Hell yeah, bro. Shit is fucking around this week. Maybe due to earnings reported after hours. Yeah, bro. Listen, bro. I've been doing not good this week myself too. It hasn't been a sexy week, you know. I'll show you guys right now, bro. Full disclosure. From the 28th to May 1st, I made $1,200, bro. I made $1,200 this week. You know, so it's been a rough week for me too. Still in the green because I'm a fucking. We'll talk about it later, but it's been a rough week for me too. That's all I'm saying. We're about to get into these trades here soon, y'all. My account or my fucking phone is back charged. Let's go, just in time, so we can record this shit. I've been here for best part of 2 years. It takes a while. It takes a while people to get all. Emmett has been scanning the market for years. Don't expect to get it in 5 minutes. The man's a legend. Oh yeah, yeah, for sure, bro. It takes time. Yeah, definitely. We in this bitch. Shut the fuck up. Yeah, we're almost there, bro. 1,200 a week to most is a full 40-hour work week, though. If you think about it, 1,200 a week? Nah, that's not much. 1,200 a week is probably on the lower end, my brother. 1,200. No way, I just did that math, bro. Come on, bro. $4,800 a month? Yeah, it's probably not. It's probably not much. I don't think that's a. I think that's a. Well, I don't know. I'm just gonna be quiet. I don't know about the fucking standards and shit. We're getting close. No, that's 30 an hour, Emmett. $30 an hour. 1,200 a week is $30 an hour? No way, bro. $30 times 8 is 240 times 5. No way, bro. That's $30 an hour is a good job, I would assume. All right, get ready here, y'all. Oh, it didn't let me get in, bro. I got 1.5 in, 2.5s in. That's all it lets me put in. I'm gonna be risking like $30 on this trade, bro. I'm in though. Not looking too pretty. Look at the grab of those eyes. It only let me put 2.05s in. And so we're not gonna lose or make anything on this. Man, this shit's trash, bro. We're going back to normal accounts next week, y'all. And funded accounts for sure, obviously. Anybody who wants a funded account, hit me. But the risking $50 per trade is not enough. It's not enough. It's not enough. I'm in too, bro. I'm in on my big account too. I'm risking yeah, pretty much like $1,200 on this trade. Ain't that some sick shit? And if we still continue to hold these highs here, you know, if this ends up again being resistance, we'll take I'm down to still fill in this gap here, bro. But it just it's fucking tough, playa. The journey is started. I mean, the journey's looking a little rough here, my brother. I'll keep it a buck with you. The journey's looking rough to the point here. Yeah, I'm down $20, bro. Makes me just want to hold this shit until we push high. I'm not going to. Well, I'm sticking with y'all. Shit boring, bro. Yuck. What a disgusting week. And so now from this point, we'll just have to see. You know, now we're stuck in between this range here. From this point to this point here. We're kind of just seeing what's going to happen at this trend line. Will we take the rebreak back above highs, or will I start to finally give into bearish momentum and start to push low? It just all depending on what the fuck happens at this resistance here. I am fully in this trade from line to line. Yeah, I'm down $53 right now, so I'm 336. What a banger's at. I don't know, bro. Instant rejection. The market is watching us. We got 78 people here, bro. I don't think they're watching us, man. Waiting for your phone to charge to send this trade up? Nah, bro. I put a fucking a buy stop in on the other phone just in case this were to happen. But it would take Jesus for this bitch to flip at this point, y'all. I'll keep it a buck with ya. No Naz. Naz is just sitting in this channel, so I don't want to be the one who buys above these highs, and then we just continue to play in this channel. You know, I really like to see price break free from structure, and all I see it is just in a cage. Like that sad little one gorilla that thinks he could beat up 100 humans. Still in a cage. There's a guy at Wall Street watching your stream trying to fake you out. I'll whoop that guy's ass, brother. Jesus heard you. Yeah. Yeah, this is rough. If it would take Jesus, he said, that's it? This is crazy, yo. There we go. Can you guys scale? Let me see if I can scale here. I'm gonna wait till we try to push above a high, but a little 0.02 in, you know? I'm gonna be margin at this point. It's got to be. Oh, I need to record this. 1 second, y'all. Send it. Nah, not enough margin. I know, bro. You ever have you hung out with Mamba yet? Yeah, yeah. I just hung out with him. I don't know, like 3, 4 months ago. Have I got to hang out with Mamba? Oh, have you hung out? Like, bro. You ever do any scalping? Like, hop in with like 10K and hop right out with like 3 or 4 bands? No. Back like sometimes I'll get 3 to 6K and divvy it up into 2K, 2K, 2K or 1K, 1K, 1K and max leverage it. So it's either risk 1K to make 3K if it'll allow me to pull and then pull out right away. But as far as putting like 10K or 20K and trying to flip it, right away within one session, nah, bro. I've never been that crazy. If any crazy flip I've done is down between 1K or less. Yeah, I don't think I have the balls to put fucking 20K, 30K into an account and be like, all right, bro, I'm just gonna fucking either win or lose 20K today. It's not a part of my plan. I would be hella stressed out, to be completely honest with you. I will visit your IG and ask more questions. Yeah, hell yeah, bro. Come say what's up, play it. 1 minute consolidation, very tense. Yeah, I mean, all I see here is a reject and a resistance. So more often than not, us continuously rejecting this top area. I mean, y'all know what it is. But if we can hold above, if we can start to break above this area, the probabilities of us going to a 1 to 3 are pretty fucking high. We have a nice gap to fill. There's nothing sitting in the way for us to push lower, but we gotta get out the woods, and it don't want to, bro. Our stop loss is in a pretty place, but it don't want to, bro. I'm ready to think it'll be like a 60, maybe $70 loss if we got pulled out here. It don't matter, but it's just like, ugh. I got you, thank you for sure. Yeah, what a fucking rough month, or a rough week, because now my $1,100 day is about to get torched if this gets taken out. So we'll have to get it back with the second trade. I'll let you guys know when I'm out. Top song, blow. Top song can't save us from this one, bro. We just broke these lows, so if it's gonna happen, it's gonna reject here. But it's just tough, tough, tough. Let's go on in 1 minute to look at it. Sitting at that moving average. Reject, reject, reject. I'm still in. Trying to give it a chance here at this moving average, but we're probably cooked here, chat. Still textbook setup. Just the probabilities, buddy. You still a goat. I know what time it is, bro. I know what time it is, brother. Margin took me out. Oh yeah, you're at like 200. Yo, Uncle E just hopped in. What's up, play? How you doing, brother? I'm still in, y'all. Look, I'm still hurting. I'm still hurting. This is that. Who was in my call this morning, bro? When we were talking about that. Oh yeah, it was just mentorship call. When we're sitting at this trend line here, or when we're sitting at this moving average, minor gap to fill before pushing higher. This is like end all be all here. But once we start breaking below, it's like we're below meeting a price, bro. We're holding at this resistance. What the fuck can we do? Maybe I made stop loss in wrong place. Stop loss worked. If it go there again, I will jump in again. Nah, we're hard stop loss, bro. If you had a hard stop loss, we're out. I was just trying to give it a bit of chance to move, but it looks like we have no volume, so it's like it's not just gonna take me out something crazy. I'm down 85. I'm probably the most I'm down to lose here is 100. For those of you guys who are in regular account, remove it. This is simply just for the fucking flip, bro. It's just unfortunate fucking week, dude. I was waiting for a higher push to enter, and I never got in. Hell yeah. Yeah, G shit, bro. I'm floating negative 64 right now. Little bitch. What you gonna do? I'm out. Jaime said I'm out. Yeah. Yeah, it's all good, bro. Come on, baby. Show them what happens when you marry the trade. Choppy, choppy. Yeah, pass all week, bro. Every fucking, not AM. AM's, I mean AM. Oh my god, it's disgusting. But it's been in a rough little range all week for sure. Coquina called it. Yeah. I mean, I'm still cooking. I'm not out, bro. I'm still in. 3 positions deep. I'm still in, bro. It takes a man. If we break below these lows up, but I'm just trying to give a little chance. Holding on to it. It was a sell. My main account is gone. It's out. Just so y'all know. I'm not playing that bullshit on the actual money account. Risking $100 a trade, I don't give a fuck about this account, bro, at all. I could care less. Okay, we're back to 48 bucks. What did it take, Jesus? Yeah, go ahead and go. Is anybody else in with the challenge account? Who's in with me still, bro? Tay said holding, bro. Let's get it. Yeah, we back to regular fucking programming next week, man. I'm holding with you guys too. If we start to break below these lows, though, we got to get out, bro. That'll just be it. All right. So if we start to break below previous lows, let's just call it. We'll move on to the next trade. It was a sell that broke the EMA. Bro. This is a 5 minute EMA, fam. This is really of importance, but not. It doesn't really tell us much. You gonna scale in if it breaks highs? I don't think it would let me, bro. I'd be down, but I doubt it'll let me. I'm surprised I got the 3 positions in. It wouldn't let me do the point two. It wouldn't let me do a point one, point one, point one. So we got 0.05, 0.05, 0.05. It was a quick scalp. The third candle going backwards. Yeah. As far as Nas goes, yeah, I'm not even gonna entertain this, bro, in this channel, like at all. We're just gonna stay away from it. Okay, trend line looks like it's holding here. Get ready to close for anybody who's holding. It's only an extra I'm down 72 right now. Once we hit lows, it's gonna be like, it just don't matter, bro. All right, I'm out. I just went short in Nasdaq. Oof, I feel you, bro. And cool if that plays out. We are at the top of the channel, but really rough. I mean, you're literally in the utmost middle of a range you possibly could be. You're actually sitting at the moving average. You're at the median of price. So, I mean, if bears is the direction that the market will choose, I guess you'll have the most optimal entry. But this is really just playing middle ground, bro. Heavy. Buy still looks good. Yeah, yeah, for sure, bro. I'm gonna get us back into these trades. Just let this fucking thing develop a little bit, bro. It is what it is. We got our bias. Let that bitch go. I'm not gonna do anything as far as sales until we get this third trend line tap, and then I'll decide what to do from that point. $297, bro. Oh, down 60 right now. Yeah, it ain't no thing, player. Ain't no thing, player. What about gold? I don't trade gold, bro. I didn't start my journal today for the month. Hell yeah, player. Proud of you. If it breaks EMA, it's going to be the trend line. Someone tell him check my comments. What's up, bro? Look up M1. I think it's going down. Never mind. I think it's going down. All right, bro. I just went short on Nasdaq. Look at it on 15 minute. 19,750 my target. All the way to, yeah, bro. London lows clean. You're gonna get opposite or New York lows. You'll probably get opposite reaction sitting down here at New York lows, but clean target for sure. I fuck with it. I don't fuck with the entry, but the bias here. We're rejecting heavy at this hour resistance, so I fuck with it for sure. If we start to break back above these highs, I mean, come on, man, give me a push. We've had 3 trades this entire town that came TP1, came back up BE, and then fucking out of there, man. We just need to catch a little break here to bring it back. Short on the left. Yo, Dollar, you still in here? No way this guy. Luca is finally out. What did he do? Jaime. He took a Nas Bice. He did the same, but he held. Yeah, we both held it. Yeah. It's just, it's all good, y'all. Don't let that shit beat you up, man. We trying to do really aggressive fucking flip. If it don't play out, we go back to our accounts next week. It's all good, man. It's what it is. Been a tough week for sure, though. Xander Satan trade on the left, yeah. So now we're coming down to this trend line tap. My boy with the shorts here doing his thing, up 23 points right now. You know, we're now getting that third reaction to this trend line. So hopefully we just hold a moon, bro. Hugo, you still have the account? He's about to say which one, bro. Hugo's a very aggressive trader. Very, very. These evening sessions are top draw for me. These evening sessions are top. Yeah, bro. They're actually I'm honestly kind of shocked the past couple of days. Like look at the price action we've been dealing with, bro. Not AM. AM's been rough. It was rough today, but AM's been all right. You know, AM was all right. This is the one that broke us even and pushed lower. But PM session, it's just been kind of nasty, bro. Every day. Look at this PM session, bro. This is the time that we're trading right now. For the past 3 days, almost maybe 4 days. 13.50. Yeah, not too bad here. There's a good price action here. We hit this day. But interesting, bro. It's been a little choppy for sure. Past 3 days. The gorilla went running after seeing the 100 med chug the white monster. The gorilla went running after seeing the 100 men chug the white monster. What? Here we go. We got that third trend line tap here. We're now starting to revisit this area. We got a bit more power on our side at this point, I would assume. And we'll take the rebreak above highs. Short it, lad. Why would you buy at the high? I mean, the high is sitting all the way up here, bro. You know? And we simply don't want to short until we start to create bearish momentum because higher time frames are currently sitting at this hourly support. That's why I'm not shorting it, playa. And I'm about to long again too as soon as we break above these highs. So we already got the hourly low created. You know, we're on the 3 o'clock candle now, and so no way in hell this shit don't hit, bro. Just put it that way. Same thing, 1, 2, 3. Boom. All right, get ready here, y'all. Same lot size, if it lets you. I highly doubt it will. But 0.05s until it allows you to do so. No way it pulled me out by fucking... I mean, that was double the stop, though. There's no we could do there, you know? It pulled us out by Yeah, like 30 points. I mean, it is what it is, bro. $50 is right there. Okay.
Yo,
What's up, bro?
I was about to say, I was like, I couldn't hear anything.
What are you doing?
Just fucking bought, sold, Nasdaq, made $3 million, and
Yeah.
chat's like as fuck, just
No
usual shit.
way. We just did the same fucking thing, bro.
Yeah, I know, it's just usual shit,
Yeah.
just type shit.
We definitely did not
What's up,
take
Luca?
those US 30
Uh,
buys, that's for
uh,
sure. We would never do that, bro.
nah, I know, that's what I'm
Yeah, we
saying.
didn't do that. So you guys didn't either, right? Because y'all don't do shit like that.
Nah, we don't even trade US
You
30.
don't? Oh, for sure. Yeah.
No, I'm kidding. So fucked up.
Golly, bro.
Nah, like, dude,
We took the same trade as you guys. Jaime told me you guys got out a bit later than us, but we exact same analysis, fam. It just didn't
did
play
you,
out.
how much were you risking?
I ended up losing, damn, $96, bro.
Yeah, I lost 100.
So I'm down to 297 now. I
Well,
told
it's just
them we're.
like,
Mhm.
actually, here, I'm just gonna text you it. I'm gonna show
Yeah,
you
send it to me.
where,
We're gonna
look
either
where,
blow or get this bitch going today. Like next week back to normal scheduling. So it
now
just
what
got
we
to be
like,
on
look
our
like
terms though. We're gonna take obviously credible setups, but what a choppy week,
here.
fam. You know?
I just sent you uh a screenshot of where it hit me out.
Oh no, bro. Look, yeah, you're a G then. And this
Literally,
it didn't hit me out. I held longer than my stop loss to see if it would reverse a bit.
yeah. I thought underneath these lows that'd be good. Let me see. Oh, is it your picture?
Oh, you
Yeah.
sent my bad. I'll send 5 minute.
No, I saw it.
Yeah.
But if you look here, the three candles in a row all broke the previous candle. Once this one broke this candle low, I was like, oh, I'm gonna hold right here. We should be good. Bro, literally just wicks below this one and starts to go.
Yeah. Yeah, but we really enjoy the re-break back above highs, bro. If we can fucking break above 920 level, it's gonna send it. We have a huge range to fill before
I
anything.
see a good re-entry, a good 350 candle moment. I see it.
You know? Yeah, for sure. EMA's crossing for sure. We don't really do EMA, just raw price action, bro. To be honest with you, bro, besides using moving average, just try to stay above the median of price. I really just think it's more of an aesthetically pleasing thing for me. We really rarely kind of use it, to be honest. At least me.
Yeah.
Just aesthetically pleasing.
How was your AM session?
I mean, it was all right, bro.
It's pretty ass. I mean, because the news and shit, right?
Yeah, I went fucking ham at the end and ended up holding a trade for like hours, bro, just for it to be literally all the entire time I was at the gym almost. AM session has been fire though. Yeah, me and mentorship had tons of fun this morning, bro.
Yeah. This
We
week was fire until this morning.
I've had a rough week, but I was still up $1,200, and now I'm back to B. So this will be the kind of deciding factor for a rough ass week too. By the way, let me just send you what I just did, player.
I made 7,800. I'm gonna withdraw tomorrow.
I just withdrew today,
How much?
10K. That's what I was just about to send you.
Sheesh. You flying out to Cali? What's good?
Hell yeah, bro, we coming out. I did. That's what everybody just asked. Like, what's your next check? I'm like, bro, I'm trying to just chill for like a whole month, bro. I just want to be home
Yeah.
for sure. By the way, how you been, brother? Long time haven't tuned in. Hope you're doing well. Life is beautiful, bro. I mean, we have been for a while, but I'm in an incredible place right now, man. I just really enjoy, not just, of course, everything I have going on. I'm always 1% better and doing the best, but my fucking circle right now, bro, is top tier, my brother. Everybody around me is doing very well. They don't take laziness for an answer, and we're all just progressively growing. You know, when they talk about you're a product of the 5 people you spend the most time with, well, fuck. I got some savage fucking people that I spend my most time with. So
Facts.
it's been very nice lately.
It's been a vibe.
It's been a
good
vibe. It's been a vibe for sure, bro. It's a year for sure. I really don't want to sell into the support, bro, but godly, dude. I really don't. Look up M1. I think it's going up. Oh, you over there giving analysis too? Holy shit. Oh, you talking about me? Hey, Angel.
What lot size did you use?
How are you, brother? Where's Black Chalk? I think a 0.05, 0.05, 0.05, yeah. 0.05, 0.05, 0.05.
On M, obviously.
32.49, 32.99, 25.99. Jesus Christ.
To hear y'all talk about cheese, yeah, withdrawals coming. I
Where's
mean, I had a
Black
fire
Chocolate?
week. I won every
He's here.
day AM session except for this morning. This morning's news was just kind of rough. We hit TP, but it's reverse. I didn't close.
I closed half this morning on my bigger account, and then the rest came back in BE.
Yeah. Oh, bro, I don't know if I told you, but I fucking finally secured a spot down in San Diego for the next couple months. Sick ass pad.
For how long? For the next couple months? Man's is
Well, like,
settling
just 3.
down?
Well, just like 3, and then I want to come back out to Florida.
Yeah, bro. Come on down, my brother. I'm trying to just do nothing for the rest of the. I mean, you know our plan when we next year with the fucking land and shit. So we're just vibing.
Wait,
right
what?
now.
No, I thought we were going on a cruise.
Oh, that's in June.
Oh, you said all right, yeah. So you're
Yeah.
just
By the
chilling
way,
right now?
can you guys do, bro? Can you do June 17th to the 23rd, please?
I can do whenever, bro.
Yeah, we just already have people going then and shit. I want to invite. I know I want to invite all of you guys too, but some of you guys are fucking weird, dude.
It just takes one person to ruin the trip.
I know, bro.
It just takes that one. And we love 99%. I mean, actually, no. Actually, I don't think I can name one person in the chat that I just don't not like. So
Not anymore, no. Remember back in
yeah,
the day, you could probably name one or two, but not. I'm telling you,
yeah.
the
Well,
circle
I don't
right
know. The
now, the
last
energy is
since
just.
we've lost last 2 days, Chaz have been the most nice. But I
Yeah,
know
yeah, for sure.
they still got love. They still got love. Even if they hate, still got love.
You can still. We were sitting at a 82% for the month until this week. Been fucking whooping my ass. Well, I guess we're a new month now, so we don't have to put this on that old month. But this, bro, you lose 2 trades in a row, the hate just comes nasty. You know
I
what time
know.
it is. We've only been doing this shit for 5 years, bro. We know what time it is. Y'all really the go-to duo. I was there on them back test days. I owe y'all a lot. Hell yeah, bro. Much love.
Who said that?
C. Funk. I feel like if he came on YouTube, we would know who he is. The hate. Since I left Luca Group, he means. Shut the fuck up. Put Black Chocolate on screen. Tell him to put himself on screen, bro. He's always here. He's ready to give
Who?
information. Oh, he might, maybe he got nervous. I don't know. Oh no, he just named Black Chocolate now. I changed his name. I forgot.
Who's Black Chocolate?
I
Me?
mean, it's Cedric. I don't know if he's about to hop on or. I don't know. Thanks for the invite. Yeah, fam. Much love, bro. Glad to have you here, by the way. Just
You was
reminds me
dirty,
of last year,
man.
August, when markets were ass. Oh my God. All people were ass and people were all doubting and hating. Yeah. Yeah, I had my worst month in years of August last year. I think we ended with like 45, 50%. We maintained between 60 to 72% for 4 years straight now. Besides 2 or 3 of those months sat below that 60%, which is really fucking impressive, bro. Luca's same shit. You look at Luca's stats for his signal group, it's extremely fucking impressive. Everyone was down, yeah. It's extremely impressive. But through those periods of loss, that's when a lot of people filter out. They try to go find other sources of information and shit, and then boom, we just go right back on track of doing what we always do, 60 to
I
75%
know.
trading.
That's so true. People
You know?
that's so freaking true. It's like that. It's like that one like meme of the gold mine when someone's like like freaking digging and they're like right next to the diamond. Like one guy like turns around and is going backwards, and then one guy's keeps going.
Facts, bro.
You know what I'm saying?
Somebody's at my door. I'll be right back. Who is this guy?
I can't believe that. We're fucking go back up. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy barcode. Yeah, but if it's a trend line and not breaking and retesting, you don't want to enter. Yeah, no, I'm not looking to enter anything right now. But like I said, when it came to this, I gotta think. Let's replay price into where entry was.
Jay, what is this?
Y'all gotta know, like now,
Holy shit.
now that it's past the point, you'd say whatever. But at the time, look at how price was. Look how we channeled up. Break, retest, break, retest, break. So I was looking for the break, thinking that we would, you know, higher high. 'Cause we broke above here, higher low, led to a new higher high. And what happened? No volume to push the higher high. So we're looking to execute here. And I
And
think
bow.
yeah, so it is what it is.
Emmett, I'm pulling up to the cruise with you and Luca. Hell yeah. You don't even know how to spell my name, bro. Emit? Wrong, brother. Doesn't feel good. Master M, I'm going to New York
Oh,
with
thank you, Kerry.
you and Luca. No way. Are we scheduled for New York already?
For what?
For I don't know, really want to bring it up since it's
Oh yeah, but why did someone say that in the chat?
yeah. He just said I'm
He said
going to
what?
New York with you and Luca. Did you
Who said that?
Tony Gold?
Oh, I mentioned that we were going to be going soon
Oh,
potentially.
okay. Cool. Awesome. Yeah.
I didn't say what for.
Yeah. Yeah, we may be going to New York here soon, yeah. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe,
Johnny
maybe not.
Trade.
Appreciate all 606 of you guys here. You remember that shit, bro? Yeah, yeah. Appreciate 1,000 of you guys here.
Appreciate the
Appreciate
4,000
1,500 of you guys.
Nah.
Yeah, 4,000.
After we lost today, I was like, and there being me in the chat, I was like, damn, I'm kind of glad there's not 4,000 people here. It'd probably be worse.
Yeah, P, I got you. Sorry, fam. I'm over here. I got you, P. I have a buy stop sitting up here, by the way.
What?
Yeah, I got a buy stop. On
It's
US
on
30. On US 30, bro.
Yeah, I'm on US 30.
All right, Bia. What were you asking about, Bia? It was simple, fam. We were already rejecting off of hourly resistance, and we already broke below London support. And so once we came back to revisit this area, after already rejecting this resistance multiple times, like, look at this. Rejection, 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 break above, rejection, rejection, break below, rejection, rejection, rejection. And we also swept London lows. I thought for sure she was gone. And hopped in and got swept right away. Tough morning. TP1 hits. Out of there. I thought I took the break up here, but could be tripping. I thought we took the break up here. Let me see.
Where's your re-entry at?
19,857.
Is your entry at the same highs or below or what?
Are we going back up? Yeah, let me go back to that. We'll do this shit later, Pia. You know I got you, Pia. We'll run through a class or something. Yeah, can you see my screen, bro?
Let me look. Yes.
Just right here. I'm just waiting for us to break above these highs again. I really like this area for buys, bro. And we have such clean traction before we come up to these highs. You know?
Yeah, same area. I have the same area kind of marked up.
I know your ass wants to get in early, but
I know.
you know.
Well,
Yeah.
bro, so if you, I don't know if you can see my screen.
I can now, yeah.
Right here, when we broke and retested in this demand, because I had this marked up as a for value gap right here, demand. I wanted to get in for these buys, but we ended up getting it all the way up here. Instead of like trying to be like fucking.
And then
savage.
you would have been B at that point too, yeah. Well,
Yeah,
fool
I
me
mean-
can't get fooled again.
Yeah, 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 literally.
Thanks. Okay, of course I got you.
What's your account at?
290.
Oh, crazy. I'm at
Yeah,
220.
$2,970. Where are you
Wait,
at?
what?
$2,970. You just got to take a zero off of there.
I'm dead. Well, you made it confusing.
Yeah. I'm in Long Nas, 19887. Where's our guy who hopped into sales? Did you get out of that one, bro? Somebody was in sales. Kevin Gates FX. Yo, comes up with that
Yo, what?
shit.
Yeah.
That's crazy, yo.
I love that.
Yeah, I do too. What do you trade off of Kevin Gates FX? We're like, no way, bro. Yeah. And I eat booty. News already spread everywhere.
Hell
What's the
yeah,
play in
Mac.
New York? No more 1K streams? Nah, bro. No more 1,000 view streams, fam.
Haters. Bro, why are the markets just
If we do, I'm gonna get sturdy, bro. Chill, Tony.
what do you say?
He said if we do it, I'm gonna get sturdy in the limelight. Run it up, bro. We definitely got to see that. Why did you stop trading supply and demand? Just curious what triggered the change. It's still, it's still on my radar. I just trade supply and demand for my data over the past couple of years works very well during pre-session. But once session opens up, volume trading, and by far, we really don't need to have too much emphasis on trend. Even with counter trend trading, volume trading is fucking nuts. And so, understanding that I can have the same probabilities trading volume trading for 30 minutes a day as I did trading supply and demand for 4 hours a day, it was really just honestly a no-brainer switch for me.
Yeah.
I've just taken off, probably 75% of my chart time. And you guys have to remember, like we've traded breakouts way longer than we've traded supply and demand. I know a lot of people forget that shit, but way
I
longer.
just fuck with supply and demand. I just like certain things occurring before, but it's all still just leading to like the same type of break.
So have you switched for good? Yeah, yeah, for sure, bro. We use liquid grabs, the documentation behind a liquid grab. But the setup now is not the grab itself; it's a failure of a liquid grab or newfound structure and going in the same direction. Pretty gangster, bro. It's very very methodical data
Yeah.
behind making that switch that took a really long time to come to the conclusion about. Hello, can you explain volume trading? I think it's breakouts. Yeah, sure. Luca's really good at explaining that.
Bro, I love doing that to you on the
I know
fucking
you do, you
Goku. I
fucker.
love that shit. Right when you said that, I was like, oh my God. Sounds like someone I know. I love that shit. And that's funny because no one knows what we're talking about.
Yeah, facts.
I love that.
Yeah.
What was the question?
Can you explain volume trading? I think it's just breakouts.
Well, no, you don't necessarily want to say it's just breakouts. It's more of just like high volume. I mean, actually, I guess it's just breakouts during high volume times.
Yeah, I think that, breakouts are the confluence, but volume is the reason why breakouts work so well. When we say
Work,
we're,
exactly. It's
yeah,
like, exactly.
when we talk about volume trading, we're simply just saying trading during the period where the most participants are in the market, and that ends up being session open. Breakouts again is just a confluence to get into these volume trades. Just like trend lines is just a confluence. Higher time frame support resistance. These are all multiple things we can add in confluence to have that volume bring our trade into where we believe it's going to go. Does that make sense? I got to go. Hope y'all catch up. It's inevitable, my brother. We're working on it. Emmett, I love your beautiful humor. Emit, I love your beautiful humor. Volume trading allows for my stop loss to be hit even faster, so it's better. hmm Great way to put it, Kevin. Is everybody in NLT hopping in these buys with us, or is just this a Zen Lab send here?
You're just full sending the account on this one?
We're full sending it with every trade. Yeah, I'm not gonna be trading a fucking $290 account, brother. We got to get back to real trading here.
I
But it's
know.
it's still going to
No.
be very credible trades. So it's going to be on our terms. But oh yeah, I'm max leveraging this bitch for sure. Thank you, brother. Yeah, man, of course, brother. Gotcha. Shut the fuck up. Trendline liquidity or time-based liquidity being swept, then price flying towards the other end. Beautiful stuff. Yeah.
Argument, dude. Jeez.
Damn, Lando, it's really good to see you in here, bro. It's good to see all 69 of you guys in here too. It's making me feel freaky. The buys are only for the real players, you know, outside type shit. I already got a buy stop in, so we're just ready to do what we always do. When everybody else fails, we execute.
Um,
I was
I'm
liquidity
debating
today. I
on a
need
full
average.
because I'm down to do the same shit. It's just like, dude, is this the trade you want to full leverage the whole account on?
No, I
That's
mean
weird.
I'm full. When I say full leverage, fam, like you'll see, you can't full leverage it. Like we're talking, you'll be able to probably risk. What is your account at right now?
225.
220. Yeah, you're gonna be able to risk like 60 to 70 bucks max, bro. Same thing we were at. I red zone them. I brought everybody down almost like 60%, 50% the first day, and so when we got it back for PM session, we're fucking trading like 60, $70 a trade, bro. You know, so you're good. Like you can't full margin. Like you're good. Just fucking put .05s in until it doesn't let you anymore, and it'll be like a $60 risk.
Right.
I'm currently trading on 2 different 25K accounts, just to let you know. Lando's all mature and shit now, bro. Awesome. Who do you owe most of your teachings from, Lando? It's probably all of us. You probably can't do that. Same with Raymond, bro. Like Raymond, who did you learn from, bro? This is a, well, I won't say it yet, but it is. It's kind of a trick
Like,
question. If you ask me and Luca who we owe our expertise to, we got probably have the same answer.
I got two, maybe like three.
Yeah, but the main one is your
I
motherfucking
learned from
self.
the trio: Emmett, Luca,
Yeah.
White Chocolate,
Yeah.
and Dr. Dollar
Yeah.
too.
Yeah. I would like to thank my motherfucking self, is
I
what
was
Luca would say.
Emmett, I
What's
don't want
up,
to
bro?
interrupt,
You said what?
but Taylor Swift had or Beyonce had the best album of all time. That was the craziest thing that ever happened.
So disrespectful. What a disrespectful ass motherfucker to do that shit.
Right.
Kanye is off the deep end now. I'm kind of losing the respect for him,
I
unfortunately.
know. I know. It's sad.
It's been fine, but it's just getting bad now. Like,
I
bro,
hate when
it's
people hate on me for playing a song though. Like I played a song, like I went like you know me, bro. I was in Miami for 2 weeks. I don't give a fuck. I go back to California. I played a Kanye song around some people, and they're like, I'm like, what?
no, he
You can't
didn't.
play this no more. I'm like, where? I was like, fuck, I forgot I'm in California. Bunch of bullshit. Can't play a Kanye song no more without getting canceled.
Jaime says, who? What do you mean, who? Who what, bro? I've come a long way since the first time I stumbled upon
Hey,
your
guess what
channel.
someone just
I was
asked?
trading $100 account. You said what?
He probably talking about White Chocolate.
Someone said you guys still use the tickle strat.
Yo, that's crazy, bro.
That's fire. Shout out Antonio for that one.
That's
Crazy as that.
crazy. I gotta pee. I'll be right back. If we hop above these highs, get in. I have a buy stop in of .05, but I'm gonna spam it as yeah. Well, I'll be right back.
You're waiting for the ultimate highs of the hourly candle.
Why do you have to say it like that? I'll be right back. Why'd you say it like that?
God. I love streaming with fucking bro. Guys, this is another reason you guys need a community. If you guys aren't in like somewhere where you guys are like live trading with each other, obviously power hour, low volume right here, but it's so fun trading with like your friends and around other people, especially like Emmett and Dollar. I've been trading with Emmett and Dollar guys for a minute. All right, guys, I'm looking for the advice, dude. What the fuck? What bullshit is
I'm
this?
already looking at it too.
US
Community
Thursday.
matters. Makes trading
I
nice,
don't have the
even
Zoom
easier.
up. Who's talking so I can call you by your name? I apologize. Hello? Who is it?
One in the chat if y'all gonna get in this trade.
Wait, what's your name, bro?
What is that shit? What the fuck?
Do you not hear me or something?
The hell?
What the hell?
What the hell? I got a mega package, bro. I want to open it up so bad. We about to get in this bitch, so. Like a 6'7". It's as tall as me, bro. And it's like this big and it's heavy as fuck. I have no idea what it is.
So for my chat, guys, because we got to do a .05 on minis, and then I'm spamming at least two, trying to get a third in if we break eyes.
Yeah, I don't know if we can, bro. We'll sure as shit try.
Either way, we getting in this trade.
We pretty much expect this push higher. We really could next candle if you want to take the flip, Luca, and be ballsy with it. It's a 30-minute flip, a 15-minute flip as well. You know.
I'm with the shits, motherfucker.
You with the shits? You want to get in a bit earlier? Well, let's.
No, don't blame it. No.
If it's on you, it
I'm
just feels
driving.
better. You know,
I'm
like
driving.
Luke, are you doing that or not?
Right. Luckily,
Let's
there's no
wait for a
wick.
bottom wicker, y'all, and then we could take some type of break. It's a playground for all your new cats, Emmett. Oh, nah, bro. Hopefully not, man. I don't want no fucking goddamn cats.
That looks good.
It's not exciting news at all, bro. Hopefully it's not for the fucking cats. This is very good to get this reaction again.
No.
Like, this resistance is hard to hold, but when it pushes, bro, she gone. I'm telling you right now.
I mean, volume just came in
350
the
candle.
bottom, too.
350 candle, bro. It is a thing for sure.
I'm driving, but I'm still hopping in. Let's go.
I need a revenge trade. I got clapped this morning. Oh, you're in the right place, my brother. We are about to hit.
You're in the right place, bro. Luca,
we're
DM'd
good,
you earlier
Sean.
about the funding account. Didn't hear back. My bad, bro. It's because I've been on stream. But guys, if you guys are interested in going straight to funded, no challenge account, go straight to funded. You guys can DM me in my chat.
I've
And
been
Emmett
telling them the
too.
same thing. You guys just gotta. We're trying to make some bread, bro. We'll message you as soon as we're done, immediately.
Yeah.
I'm trying to make the gang some money.
You hear me? Emmett,
The
come
same price as
on.
buying a challenge too. It's no extra shit. It's literally the same price as buying a fucking challenge.
Full margin. I revenge traded yesterday, made money. We're not. I feel you, bro.
So you waiting for ultimate highs?
Nah, I'm gonna get in a .05 as soon as you break these 1 minute highs, and then the rest of the position, yes, I'll wait for ultimate highs. I'm being dead serious. I'm not joking. I really think we're just gonna continue to push.
What's the price right now? Shit.
Got smoked today. Oh damn, bro. You doing your
What the
main
hell?
account too? Yeah, bro. I buy stop has been in on the main account. I'm just waiting for ultimate highs. I'm not playing none of this extra shit on my main account. It's gonna be on my terms or not at all. You heard me?
I'm with the shits, bro. What's me crazy is they're not even gonna remember this $500 account when we flip one of these to 5K, and they're like, "Oh shit, I forgot about it." You know what I'm saying?
What's the price for 10 50K accounts? Veronica, message me on just DM me on Discord or Instagram, fam. As soon as we're done making money for everybody, I got you. Let's get this paper. I got
Like
you.
this
I'll send, and that goes for all of you guys. We have the rules as well, so if you message us for it, we have all the information you could possibly need. Just hit me, Terry Glenn. Hit me. We still gonna make money, of course, bro. Ain't
Yeah,
no
so
thing.
dude, someone says your IG doesn't let us message you, but for some people it does, because I for sure got a lot of messages from some people, and some people can't message. It's so weird. Can you send me a picture on Discord, Mike?
Yeah, but they may yeah, exactly. What does it look like? Because it may just be popping up in your message request, bro. A couple of them have been doing so.
No, they're saying they can't even message me, like because like obviously it's one thing if they're saying like, oh, you're not responding, but they're saying they can't even message my account.
Let me check.
Can you avoid?
But I go to I have like my podcast page and stuff, and it says I can. Yeah, maybe
Okay,
people
so
follow me or something? No,
You're not.
people-
Wait, are they talking about IG or Instagram or Discord?
Instagram.
IG or Instagram? Discord or
Instagram.
Instagram? Okay, I was about to say, Discord does that shit until they send you a friend request. What did you say about the funded? I'm at work, couldn't hear. We are able to give instant funded accounts to you guys, so no challenge phase at all. You go simply directly to funded, so you can start making money immediately. If anybody wants to hit us up about that, message me at emmett.trades or luca.no-limit. We have all the rules and everything, but the biggest point of all of this, and the reason why we're going so hard for you guys right now, this is the lowest price that you guys will get it at right now, because once they launch, they're going up to normal prices. So don't be the person next week still trading a challenge when we're all on funded accounts. Come hop in and let's make some fucking money. I'm copying.
Yeah.
Luca, I just sent a text message. You got it?
Did your text?
Tyler Ham, you can
Luca.
DM me on Instagram or
Oh,
on.
Luca. I just sent him a message on Discord.
No, I
It
meant
should work.
not on Discord. I meant on Instagram.
Yeah, whatever for me. It can be Discord or Instagram. I don't care.
Hit me up.
Well,
Just shut the fuck up.
Shut the fuck up.
Does your chat ever get
I'll
tired
DM
of
you on
that?
Instagram about it. All right, got you, fam. Big dubs. Big dubs. All right, let's get ready here. So like I said, I'm gonna put in a .05 once we break above these minute highs, just to try to get a better entry. And also, if I have a bit more free margin from that point, I can scale in more at the top. So we'll see. But I'm just waiting. I'll let you guys know. It's gonna be like 0.05 is I think like $20 for 50 points, so it's not nothing crazy.
Nothing crazy.
It's a clap level. It got me this morning. It's a clap level. Yo, chill. I feel that though, bro. It's a clap level. I don't have Instagram. All right, well, hit us on Discord, bro. God's Kingdom. It's at ZenLab, ZenLab. Beast, if you're here, Beast, or any of you guys, can you put the fucking free link in here so people understand how to hop in our Discord? It should be there anyways already. You guys should already be there. All right, I'm getting in with y'all as well, even though I got my trading done for the day, but I got to be with the 100%, bro. 100%.
You're either with the gang,
Yeah.
you're either with the motion, or you against it.
Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
I'm still with
We're
the
not going to
motion.
continuously reject this level, bro.
If it breaks, it's just like each time we actually have broken the high and kind of
What the fuck is wrong with the US? It's broken, bro. You can spam it, Beast.
broke it.
Can you avoid going over consistently by just taking 1 to 2? Can you avoid going over? Can you say it again, bro? I don't understand it.
CZ.
Thank you, Beast.
That is so weird.
Love you, Beast.
Yeah, bro. He just sent me a picture.
Can you send it to me?
Yeah. Interesting. Thank you, CZ. Wow.
I got all of you guys as soon as we're off here. Just by the way, I see all that coming. We're good. So you don't avoid going over the consistency rule. Okay. Can you avoid going over consistency by just taking 1 to 2? Yeah. More so, I would say 1 to 3s or less are definitely within good range. You know, once you start to go up beyond that is when it gets tough for consistency. Anything below that is really not that big of a deal. I text you, Emmett. Got you, fam. Mamba FX wife. What? God, I really need to fucking read shit before I read shit, you know?
Yeah, why was it?
It's nothing rude. No, it just said Mamba FX wife, Ryan Garcia, baby moms. It's like, all right, bro.
Oh yeah. That shit was so funny. So I hope you guys know that like we lived in the same neighborhood as Ryan when that was happening. It was crazy. Like Ryan lived in the neighborhood with Mamba while with his baby mama. It was
Wild,
crazy.
bro. Honestly.
Now they're married. Happily. She's awesome too.
He said this man on some otherworldly stuff. Nah, bro, he's definitely true. It wasn't a lie. It was just left field. Some people box and some people take wives. Trader lifestyle. All right, looks like I'm gonna get that initial entry here soon, y'all. Let's go, man. Give us the volume and let's, we got 13 minutes until that 350, so push. For those of you guys on regular, this is simply just for the flip account. So obviously regular funded accounts and challenges and such. Let's be a little bit more respectable here, all right? Wait for a break above highs. Some people box, some people get in boxes. Yo, bro. Chill. That's facts, though. Oh, shit. No, Samuel, they haven't launched yet, brother. Should be by Tuesday of next week. Is by Tuesday. So it could be tomorrow, could be Monday, but by Tuesday for sure. My bad. That land left my ass. That was crazy. I was letting my meta side. That's all good play. I fuck with it. You type fast as fuck, bro. Holy shit. My God. We got 33 people on Zoom and 69 people again in YouTube ready to catch this dub. US 30.
Bro, I gotta remember like how quickly the streams have gone up because I'm all like, oh shit, I'm only at 160, like whatever the fuck, because like we were at like 280.
I
I'm
know.
like, bro, what the fuck?
Isn't that fucking funny? I'm only at 160 is crazy. I'm over here in my head too. I'm like, damn, bro. I think the max hit was 78. It's like, yo, I just hit 100 on streams for AM session. This is my high. Like I think 50 to like 75 is my high for power hour. By the way, I'm proud of you, bro. You're fucking killing it right now.
I had to be like, you gotta stop and be like, bro, what the fuck? It's still 6. hella people here listening to us. It's super dope.
Like one bro said, put them in a room. You know, put 149 people in a room. You know what
I
500
got a
people
question
looks
for you.
like.
Put 149 people in a room and put them with a gorilla. What's happening, motherfucker?
See, that's come on, bro. What do you
I
think
sent
would
you the
happen?
video. What do you think? What do you honestly think?
Me?
Bro,
Bro, it's a fucking gorilla. We're a whole ass human. If you guys think that a gorilla could beat up 100 humans,
I sent
and
you the
dude made
video.
a good point too. He said, let's say gorilla's going full fucking rampage mode, okay? Just destroying everybody. This guy is going to be literally unconscious after like 30, 40 people just from destroying all of them. Like that is so much energy. And then the rest of the 60 people will just stomp him out till he dies, bro.
I don't. Wait, I got a video. Hold on.
Bro, you sorry if you sent me that one.
Everyone, look at my screen real quick. This is what I sent Emmett. This shit was hilarious in my
King
opinion.
Kong versus 100 Man. Come on, bro. That's cheap.
Look at this shit.
Illogical niggas. Here we go. Here we go. 100
This gorilla
niggas
just.
versus one gorilla. Let's see how this shit. They getting their ass beat. They getting their ass beat. You niggas, this a lot of you niggas is dumb as hell. And I believe
Bro,
it's
this is not what would happen, bro. I swear to
versus
God.
one gorilla. This nigga gonna fuck you up. So why you
For some reason, I just believe it, bro. For some reason, I
Not
just,
what would happen,
believe
bro.
it.
I
just believe.
Mm.
I don't know.
The commentary is like crazy.
I just like for some
That
reason.
shit's crazy, bro.
Like for some reason, I think that they don't. Their energy just isn't gonna like give out like ours is. Just isn't gonna like give out like ours.
No, I don't know.
Yeah, 100 is still a lot, but I think 50, it's a no-brainer. I think 50, a fucking gorilla is going ham. But no weapons. If we had weapons and rope and shit, yes.
50? Still 50 humans over one gorilla, bro. They're like 400
what's your number?
pounds.
What's your number?
Before the gorilla can win?
What's your number before the gorilla is not dead?
20 max. I don't know what y'all think.
Motherfucker,
fucking
bro, it
gorillas
takes
are.
20 people to take me down. You think a gorilla? Come on.
You're a big ass motherfucker. And maybe that's in my head just because I'm like, man, 100 of me's, like, there's no fucking way. Even 20 of me's, bro. There's no way, but I could be wrong. Maybe we should just put it to a test for one stream. We'll grab a gorilla, we'll get 100 Zen Labians, and we'll fucking fight. Are you guys with me?
If I could copy and paste Emmett 100 times, then I think maybe humans. But not everyone's like Emmett. You guys got to see this motherfucker in person. He's like a boulder that talks.
Yo, that would make me go viral if we did 100 of my students and we all went to go fight a gorilla together, guys. That would
You're also
be
getting
crazy.
PETA's also after your ass.
Not if the gorilla wins. Soul Labs for a reason. We losing, bro. We're not losing, bro. I can't believe this is an actual real discussion that people are having in the world. Is 100 fucking people with one 300, 400 pound gorilla, bro. Like, what is the biggest gorilla known to man? Biggest gorilla is Silverback Gus. Damn. Holy shit. Silverback Gus was 483 pounds. I have a cousin who was 483 pounds.
Someone named
Seriously.
Jack Daniels said I looked it up and it says 35 6-foot men would do it. LOL.
35 6-foot men? Yeah. 2.8 foot 10-inch arm span. Now that's fucking crazy, bro. Just like windmilling everybody and shit. Yeah, it's nuts.
Are you open to sales at any area?
I am. Yeah, we were gonna split the difference, and so I would be down to take sell. I just didn't, bro. I didn't want to get faked out with the same thing. Can you see my screen real quick?
Yeah.
The same thing that we just did with these highs by taking it out. I don't want the same thing to happen with these lows while we're trailing in this channel.
I know. I know.
You know. And so what I really wanted was like just a secondary push here, and then we'll take the rebreak of lows, or just split the difference and take the low break below here.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts for sales?
Because I was looking at Nasdaq, US 30. Like if you look at Nasdaq, for me, the structure looks a little bit better
Let
for
see
sales,
over
in
your
my
shit real quick.
opinion. If you look also, I mean, I know you don't trade supply and demand, but 5 minute supply came up, took out highs, rejected twice, now broke structure, retapped again, and is now gonna break lows.
Send you, yeah. Okay, so you're looking at that same low. You just don't want it to be caught in that channel type shit.
Yeah, well, because then it's the opposite of what I usually do when I look for the sweep and the
Right,
yeet.
right, yeah, facts. So yeah, seriously, I'm still looking at these buys on US 30 here too, y'all. Like it's not out the woods. I'm just ready for it to fucking push. We have 6 minutes until that 350 candle, so it could be it.
Trope.
1 second, y'all.
All right, well, so chat. Okay, I didn't really ask my chat. What do you guys think then, gorilla or humans? Everyone in the chat, let me know. Oh, and also, you guys see this? You guys see my screen? I thought this was hilarious. You guys see day 2 of this? Y'all can't tell me this ain't funny.
Lot size on a live $5,000 account will either double or blow the account based on whatever the top comment tells me to do. Let's get into it. So after day 1, you can see we're up $16. I knew I should have faded ChatGPT. I literally told you guys, but I was like, wait, I still don't have any comments to go off of until the next video. So make sure you guys comment. But on this video, I was like, all right, I went back to ChatGPT. I wrote on the 6 pairs it told me yesterday, and I put them on a target. I went and grabbed my Ninja Stars. The blue is for buys. The red is for sells. I blindfolded myself. Can't see anything. Mixed them up, boom, boom, boom. Went down and almost clicked buys, but it'll be sells. I turned around a couple times on the target. You can see all the different pairs. Got stopped and boom. The next trade will be sells on you.
All right, the reason I bring this up, guys, is this is a challenge I am doing, and it's all based upon what you guys comment. So if everyone wants to go comment what you guys think or what you guys want the next position to be, that I only did that for that one. The rest will be based upon the top comment.
Oh, you were showing them something, a video or something?
Yeah, why?
Holy shit, bro! I just got back and there were 2 of you talking, so I was like, "Where is this coming from, dude?" All right, cool. Your cousin is all muscle though. Gorilla is no joke. No. My cousin was not all muscle. Just 483 pounds of pure. I don't think anybody at 483 pounds is pure muscle, to be honest.
Yee, Richie, how you doing, bro? Yeah, some people in the chat are saying gorilla. For some, I mean, I don't know, 100. Now you think saying like now you're talking about it, 100 is a lot.
Just think about that for a second, y'all. What was a class? Class is
Well,
like
I
20
looked up a
people.
picture.
What it looks like?
Like
Let me see it. Can I see it?
I looked up 100 people, and I was like, I guess because the people it showed like a room full of like teachers. So, all right, guys, wait, we're about to get in here. I get triggered.
All right, cool. All right, let's get it. Thank you, bro. And look at that low holding. So now these cells are not ugly, bro. If this is where to reject and push lower. See
So
what
you
I'm
get
saying?
yeah,
You
nice
know?
up at the highs.
Yeah, bro. All right, guys. So we really got the motion here now. I'm about to put that first 0.5 in. We're about to break highs, it looks like.
Yeah, let's run it.
You're putting in your full position here?
When I got in the 0.5, how much is that?
Nothing. I just
Less?
put in 0.5 here.
Yeah, let's run it.
Let's run it. Another 0.05. My bad. 0.05. 0.05. 0.05. 0.05.
Yeah, 0.05 guys on
Sorry,
mini.
Yeah.
2 0.05s.
Oh, you put 2 in so far?
Yeah, how about you?
I just put 1 in.
Uh,
G shit, you're G though. I was just waiting. Being soft probably.
Same as
All
a
right, we're getting
0.01.
close to entry for you guys with your regular accounts as well. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
These are the highs I really wanted to break, so.
Oh my bad. Let me go back to my YouTube chat too. Alright, I'm here, y'all. Black chocolate, show yourself. On screen, my beautiful babe. Come on, bro. Jesus Christ. How fucking tall is Emmett that he's compared to a boulder? 6'3", bro. So is Luke, bro. Luke is fucking huge, bro. We are big ass motherfuckers.
Yeah, like we walk in a rough
Yeah. Alright. Close. Alright, we're in, y'all. So now I have 2.05s in.
Yeah, me too.
And it won't let me put another 0.05 in. I'm gonna try to do a 0.03. Once we break highs. If this is how it's gonna be, then negative. My buy stop was there. So if you guys didn't get in, wait till a break above the white line. Follow directions here. But I am into this trade already. 0.05s, bro. It's not going to get us anywhere, bro. You know, unfortunately.
The build continues. Look,
The
you
build
put in more.
continues.
It won't let me. Xandar,
Dun dun dun.
2.05s.
Yeah, this is like $50 risk, y'all. This is all we could do. I thought I was gonna spam like 3 or 4 of them, but no. Ooh,
On some fun shit. 350 candle. Let's go. Flip.
flip,
Flip for
flip,
us.
flip, flip. I'm gonna try to put a 03 in at the flip if it happens. Yuck. No top wick at all. Like it's definitely going to top wick here.
Oh
My
my
God.
fucking God.
What can you do, bro? What can you fucking do, bro?
Are you fucking kidding me?
What can you do, bro? I'm still here. I'm holding like $57. I really am not about to trade a fucking $200 account, bro. So what do you
So we're just
do?
holding it until it breaks eyes, I guess.
I don't think so. I think we should, if it starts to continue to break these. I just can't believe there's no top wick at all and it's still continuing. Are you still in or did you get out?
I'm at 80. What'd you get out at?
I didn't get out.
Yeah, I'm going either. I'm at
I don't see the
66.
point in getting out and fucking trading $150 accounts. Stop loss 1, stop loss 2. Yeah, bro. Sheesh.
Should we add in and
I'm
drawdown right
out
now?
on my big account. That's negative. I'm down 1,400 with the first and 1,500 the second. I'm out, bro. I'm not playing that bullshit. But what'd you say, fam?
I say, should we get in and draw down and no.
We can't. It's just fucked, you know. And then
Oh,
look
yeah,
at
yeah.
Naz right here with this beautiful ass sell off, bro. Our other position.
Naz? Oh,
Mhm.
yeah. Well, we'll see if it plays. Could also sweep and go, like we said. Holding strong.
Well, that sweep was kind of there though, you know. When we got that last reaction from that trend line and now re-break, like this looks really good to me.
What a week to start the I mean, fuck it.
It is what it is, bro. I don't really give a shit. I know it's a little tough on other people, but what can we do, bro? It's very quality trades are just getting fucked here. I'm down $110 here.
Yeah.
Y'all remember this from my group this morning? Bring back flashbacks, bro. Golly, not our day, my brother.
That is wild.
Mhm.
Newsday, PMI. I mean, that was
Eh.
the excuse this morning, but PM session, like, come on.
Yeah, I don't really. I wouldn't
I would
push
love-
this towards.
This is when you get the
PMI.
people in the chat that go, listen to me when I tell you guys. Like, motherfucker, there's a reason. There's a reason you
Listen to me when I tell you guys. Come on, bro.
Oh, my
Oh
God.
shit, Dollar's calling me. What's up, fam? You're on live. Whoa.
What?
Am I looking at your leg?
Wait, don't.
Yo, what the fuck? I was like, what you trying to show me, bro?
How you doing? I'm watching your fucking stream. What
Oh.
the fuck was that?
Dude, I'm still look.
Trash at PM. I'm telling you.
I'm holding it. I'm fucking.
Last 2 days in PM.
They're kind of rough during PM. That's what I said. They just been super fucking choppy, dude.
I think that, bro. I think that.
This week's been insane, though. Like, I haven't traded one PM session the whole week that was like this.
Crazy and they were moving like fucking hundreds of fib.
Mm-hmm.
That just doesn't happen every day.
Well, yeah, for sure. But also the chop to this degree doesn't happen every day. It's just fuck, dude. It's just rough price action. It's all good.
I think you're still a G, bro. Fuck that shit, and you're gonna get it all back, so it doesn't fucking matter.
Thank you, player. Appreciate it.
Tell him, Dollar. Put him up to the mic a little bit more. Let him know.
No, he just left. I love every time if we ever hit a losing trade, Dollar will always call me like, bro, I fucking love you, bro. You're a goat. I'm like, thanks, bro. I appreciate you. Reg, count gone. Hugo, you better not be in that. Bro, Hugo's gone. We told him he can take his first trade, but then he's got to go if it fails, and he's gone because he's on his funded account. He's still up for the week, so he wants to, or for the, he's still up on his account, so he wants to make sure he doesn't fuck up all his profit just for a bad week.
I still love y'all.
Yeah, I didn't trade.
Yeah,
I
we
didn't
love
trade
y'all.
my
We
bigger
love all
account
y'all. It
during
is what it
Power
is.
Hour at all.
You said what?
I didn't trade my bigger account during Power Hour at all this week because I was doing AM session.
I did. That trade just brought me to a negative for the week, which is the first negative week. And could you imagine? And still took out 10K earlier too, so I ain't even mad. But rough.
Antonio literally.
I'm still holding, by the way. I'm fucking down $81 right now.
Me too.
Yeah, who
We're
cares?
coming back up.
You feel me?
350 fake out.
Come on
Come
now.
on.
It only takes
Let's go.
an extra 80 points of drawdown. That's all it takes to flip. Good night, Emmett. I'm heading up. Take care, Julian. Yeah, bro. Go do your thing, my man.
Jesus.
Push, hold. It did everything I said. Congrats if you followed.
Did someone say that?
Bro, y'all are off the chain, fam. I feel you though. Get that clout, bro. We got the whatever you said
Got
fucking
it.
worked out.
Send your Discord link.
Yeah, for sure. Send the Discord so we can come join. I'm down 150. This is looking very bad. It's probably gonna margin call, bro.
That's why I said. I said there's no way to fucking hold it. Guys, and it's all real money too. It's not like I'm not losing too. This is fucking insane.
Oh yeah, no, we're getting fucked. Yeah, for sure.
This is insane.
It closed out. I got taken out of one of them. So now I'm
Really?
only floating. Yeah, margin call one of them. 79, 79.
I have less in my account. How the fuck did that happen?
You had .05s in?
Yep.
Oh, I bet you I had my stop loss all the way down there, bro. Just to move it, just to move it out of the way of the 50. I bet
No,
you're
yeah.
right. I just got closed out on 79, 79. A little
What
high.
equity's good? I don't know how. Wait, hold on. Let me see. So the margin's free margin. The margin's there. So I have. No, yeah, no. I mean, it's
No. Well, back to regular fucking shit next week, y'all. What can we do? We gave it a shot. Cedric Porter, my beautiful black chocolate, bro. Come on, bro. Jesus Christ.
I've not had this happen, dude. Like, when's the last time you've seen I haven't margin called account since probably 2022.
Honestly, bro, we're talking yeah. We just don't trade like this. We're the most
know.
consistent fucking. So it was a tough ride, my
I
brother.
forgot my
But I'm
key.
getting cooked right now. I'm down to 120. I'm down to $120 with trading app you use. Gates FX. The link is in our bio, bro. If you guys want to trade on MetaTrader, they offer no commission accounts too, not just raw spread. Was fun though, yeah, for sure. I think it's a fake. Yeah.
I'm still holding one on the position.
Oh yeah, I'm chilling.
It's
I'm
gonna
down,
swing. Watch.
know?
No, I'm totally kidding. So fun.
I'm down $80. The issue is because it's down almost. It's down 150 points. But so let's say that it reversed and did push back up to TB3. It's just no worth, bro. It's gonna take so long to push it back,
Bro,
bro.
I've had the
God damn
funniest
it.
fucking joke with Rudy going for the longest time about all right, let's go trade like the light bills do, and he just pops in the chat, goes head into the dollar store for candles, light bulb staying past due.
Ouch, bro. God.
Head into the dollar store for candles, light bill past due.
Does Gates go down in 3 minutes or no? No.
Fuck.
I swear it did, but
Buying this law, I can't enter any more positions.
Nah,
Well,
bro,
what I
it's
say is
good.
this. You know what's really sad, bro?
What's
Look,
up?
I don't know if you can see my screen. I've had this marked up since before stream. It's just been sitting there.
Well, if we didn't lose that first trade, I would have had the secondary trade be the sell off, but we're just completely
Nas,
married
right?
to
Nas was
this.
so clean.
Yeah, it's sad. We're just married to this position because we don't. You guys just have to understand. I fuck with the build, and we may do it again at some point, but once it gets down to the 200, 100 range, bro, we're not about to risk $50 per trade, fam. That shit takes a while to recover, and it just is what it is, dude. I'm down $100 now on that. On the additional thing, it's just gonna go down, or it's gonna come back up, and we'll
I'm saying.
probably just pull and put it to my
Thank you,
bigger
Gabe.
account and move the
Yes,
fuck
sir.
on.
Look at now you got the haters in the chat, bro. Who the fuck? Don't get me started.
Well, and give me
Lucky
the
I'm in-
account.
lucky I'm in a
I'll
good
cover it
mood
for you.
throwing
I'll
shots.
take-
We
I'll take
got
the
we
two.
don't have
Don't
there's
make
no
me.
hate, bro. There's no hate. We're good. Set 150 point. You guys are my favorite streamers. We love you, brother. Do we have hate in the chat? 1 in the chat, hate. 2 in the chat, no hate. Let's see it.
Literally.
For both streams. 1 in the chat, hate. 2 in the chat, no hate, bro. I do want to see it.
That is crazy.
2-2.
They said
Lando
they said
won,
the
yeah.
account builds are for a different breed. I was like, bro, but we're built different. This week was just so fucking ass.
Noel says 1. I appreciate it, bro. I'll take it. 2-2.
Chat needs a dab. This is crazy though.
This is actually really crazy. This is ridiculous. I just hope it's just annoying to just watch this thing tank. Because realistically, bro, like I'm down to put this. What is it, 216? I'll put that into a bigger account, let it do its thing instead of just dying out. But it's all good, man.
Well,
I
on
haven't got
top
to
of it,
marry a
like,
trade like this in a while.
it's
What'd you
just
say?
crazy that 2 days in a row, or when we were trying to do this, the whole entire session, range, and at the very last 350 candle, both times
Gone.
has been insane. Like,
Yeah.
which maybe that's something we can look for. Be like, all right, that's something we can look out for. We can be like, all right, well, if it's channeled this long, let's wait for that 350 candle, and let's fucking just do it.
Ileana's a 1. Damn, Ileana, that hurts, fam. I already broke previous New York low on my screen. Oh yeah, same here. We don't get opposite reaction now. It's cooked. If that stop loss didn't take the first position out, this whole account would be gone right now. Instead it's just down 107. I love it when she pays out. Hell yeah, we do too, bro. Missed that. We're learning, hanging out, having a blast. I'm just playing Emma's the homie. Yeah. Yeah, man. You built the account the wrong way. Deconstructed. God.
I already got death threats in the Telegram. I'm taking.
She said, "No, I thought you said one was no hate." Laugh loud, no hate. No, man. One was hate, bro.
Yeah.
Shit. Was it? Oh wait, one was hate. One was hate. It's all good, y'all. We do it together. Back to holding our stop losses and fucking real shit next week, bro. This is fucking embarrassing, dude. It is what it is. It is what it motherfucking
I'll do another
is,
one
baby.
in not next week, right? Maybe the next week. Let's see how next week performs. I'm not gonna go back.
Doing another challenge? No, but next week I'll be risking the same on my big account doing our thing, y'all. Can't be. I'm still holding on to a trade that's 150 points and y'all down. And we just grab, New York lows and we continue to push. This is incredible. It's volume, baby.
I'm in. Bye.
Luca's buying now. Oh yeah, he just got in, bro. With the last hair on his chinny chin chin.
Back to regular scheduled programming next week. If you
Yeah.
want a freaking funded account, let me know. These smaller accounts, we didn't really have a lot of room with it.
Yeah, Steven, proud of you, bro. It's sending it right now, bro. Look at these nice cells just playing out beautiful. It don't matter if we ain't in it. Minus 132. We got 70, 69, 67 more bucks to go before she gone. She's crying.
Tonight at 7 p.m., guys, I'm gonna host a live stream funeral for the life of my account.
Yeah, yeah. I'm there with you, brother.
It was a good life.
I'm holding on for dear life here, but she's dying here. Life support. 2K days back to back. Sheesh. Trump must have said
You
something.
better send her to the hospital.
I'm out, Emmett. Tomorrow will be the day to recoup all this. That's a tough way to look at the markets, brother. Tomorrow's just another day to trade our edge, and more often than not, it plays out, bro. And all that extra shit is just emotional trading. I bought when Lucas sold. Hell yeah. What should I work out today, Emmett? Your balls, brother. Get them things stronger, because I heard you've been being a pussy out here.
No.
Just kidding. I love you. Go work out them. Go work out that back, big dog.
I lost my challenge, but I made so much on my
Love
actual
you, bro.
funded. I'm gonna buy a new one. Exactly. Well, that's what I'm saying is I'm actually glad. And the only reason I didn't trade my bigger account was because I'm not as good as Emmett about. You have an extra phone, right? Is that why you're able to do it?
I have 3 phones sitting in front of me right now, brother.
Yeah, like.
I tried to give you one. You didn't want it.
Yeah, I didn't want to take one of your phones.
I have a million of them, bro. I have 4
It's a trap
fucking
phone. I don't know
lines
what you
for
did
no
on that
reason.
phone.
All right, we're down 132, y'all. It's coming real close, man. I'm sad for the people who this is their first time tuning in and shit. It's like God.
Or this is because I promoted it, like, oh, come to live streams. But it just shows that you weren't here when we were on that fucking fat win streak. You know what?
You ain't
don't
got
want
to speak
to
for
win.
yourself, brother. We know who the fuck you are. One of the best traders I've ever met. Special things come in small packages. Big dog, big man. Stop playing, bro. Why do you think it flipped like that? Was there important liquidity? Potentially so, bro. One thing I will say that's quite interesting for NAS. We've been speaking about it all morning, understanding where we're at. We're sitting at a higher time frame resistance, and so as we started to create bearish momentum, you can expect price to continue lower. But if we started to push above this very prevalent level of rejection, we were simply just going to send it higher, and it held and pushed lower. Now, as far as US 30. I don't know, bro. I'm actually quite shocked that we're holding this hourly resistance so well because we've kind of broken above it. Not only that, but we started to create support multiple times on lower time frames. So I was pretty sure we were gonna fucking be out of there. But don't get it misunderstood. I know all of my students know, but I just want to run through it real quick. Until we break above this lower high sitting up here, for anybody who's looking at my screen, I myself believe that we are a part of the crash right now. I genuinely believe that the market is going to chase new lows and shit's going to get chaotic. In my opinion, it's speculation. I don't trade based off of that, but that's what I believe. So now, if you think about it, could you imagine how much liquidity we just wiped out by taking out all of these highs here? And so now, I mean, I just potentially could see quite the drop for the rest of the week. This is what we're waiting for. It just sucks that we were a part of the fucked up side of it, you know? But yeah, as far as any important liquidity, I just think we're at a very prevalent area, and if this is what it's going to be to end the day, we're in for a hell of a tomorrow. I turned 280 into 10K, no cap. Hell yeah. Dollar, I love you. So challenge success. Yeah, bro. Technically, you did flip the account if you think about it. Bro, get out of my live, bro. Get off my shit, bro.
That's the best joke of the day right there.
Yeah.
That's so fucking funny.
I turned 20K into $100. That's so disrespectful, bro.
At least we can sit here and take it. People would be so hurt.
Yeah, no, I mean,
That's a
bro,
hell
we've been
of a
doing this
flip.
shit for fucking 4 years in front of the camera from y'all, bro. This shit. Not saying I'm not annoyed. I'm annoyed as fuck with the performance, but we know where our edge is at. Y'all know where our edge is at, bro. These are just unfortunate fucking week. Who cares? Moving on. We'll still cry about it for the next couple hours, though. Still holding. I did that. Me too, bro. I'm still holding too. Why are you still? Oh, yeah, you're in sales. That's right. You're in the right direction. I'm still holding too, bro. Just getting smoked. I did that before too, Dr. Dollar. No cap. Hell yeah, bro. No cap. Yo, Emmett, I got to get out of here, but hit me back on Discord DM when you get a chance, bro. I got you, Sky, for sure, brother.
What it and
I got you, Kylie. I know that must be your girl's account. I had to do it once. Stay in, Emmett, so it can make some money. Come on, bro. What the fuck, Steven? That's so rude. I'm about to be cooked here, y'all. We'll get off after that. I just want to watch it till its final moments.
Funeral moment.
Mm-hmm.
Are you going live tomorrow? I don't do Fridays, but
I do.
Emma does. You guys go to Emma.
Maybe not today. NASDAQ goes down about 330 points, I believe. That's nothing, bro, compared to where I believe it's going to go down. How did the candles get so low? Came back a little late, right? We're trying to figure out the same thing, my brother. You don't think it's a reversal day tomorrow? No, we've been in the reversal this entire time. I think we're finally going to start pushing into the continuance.
Let me know Discord. Yeah, I'm gonna hop out of here. I love you, bro.
We love you too, bro. You out
We'll
fully?
be back at it. Yeah,
All right,
we'll
tight.
be back next week. I'll probably just be on my bigger account too. We'll see.
Yeah, bro. Take the fucking week to actually, risk normal money, not fucking hold stop loss past fucking 50
Yeah,
points.
I know. Back to the regular
Take the
schedule
week,
program.
brother. Yeah. Love you, bro. I'll call you later on.
Appreciate you, bro.
Take
Yeah,
care,
I'll
bro.
FaceTime you after. Peace
All
out.
right, sounds good.
Later.
Dollar is my boyfriend. Come on, bro. Damn, I fell off. Dollar is funny. How did the candles? Yeah. All right. I'll be in the blueprint soon. Come on. Off of this trade. Come on, Steven. Get out of here, bro. That's rude, bro. Hell yeah, though. This is nasty with it. It's a disgusting push. All right. He has a man, so he's taking. Yo, I wish I been knew you guys. Yeah, for sure, bro. Same here. All right. It is what it is. Yeah, I'm gonna just allow. I'm watching it still. I'm fucking dollar and generation today. I'm watching this bitch go. I mean, we're not gonna be trading a $60 account. Back to normal programming tomorrow. We tried to flip within a week, 500 to 2K, 3K, and it's just rough trading, So it is what it is. So, as far as promo, what do we got going on here right now? Yo, funded fucking hero. Do not be the person that doesn't have a funded account next week while the rest of us are getting to this paper, bro. All you got to do is message me. I will send you prices. I will send you all of the rules, everything forefront. If you accept, we'll get to your account. It will be in your name. It'll be fully funded. It'll be underneath your email. As far as my signals, you guys can only watch me live every other day for AM session. If you want to get all of my trades every AM session, you have to pay me for my group. It's $40 a month. Link is in description. And that's pretty much it. Fuck it, I'm doing a shot. What a week. Ooh. Yeah, I will not be doing a shot. I'll be fucking going to the gym right now for the second time just because I had to rush back home for all this shit. And I'll see you guys next week during live, bro. Thank you guys for showing up. We gave it our best go. I texted you about the fund. I got you, Gene, for sure. Dollar has a man. He's with me. He's taken. So no. All right, bro. Do you trade London? No, I don't trade London. I just trade AM and PM session for New York. Much love, brother. All right, peace, y'all. Thank you guys for showing up. Big dubs in the chat for y'all. Let me put a dub in the chat for you. Thank you guys for showing up. Love y'all. Goodbye.